In this video, we are going to see how we can resolve the problem that on multiple logins, if you get the message of the reference account is currently logged out and may not be logged on to error in Windows. So how we can reset this and re-access your password screen in Windows, let's see. So you might be on this screen. So what you can do is just hold the shift key and click on the power button to restart this. What this will do is this will show you some additional options. And just keep holding the shift key to make sure that it switches to the troubleshooter. It says, please wait. Choose an option. We'll click on troubleshoot and we click on advanced settings. Here we click on startup settings. You might see a different screen depending on the version of Windows you are using, and click restart from here. It will show you all of these startup settings. So you can read through it. Click on restart and press F4 or 4 key on your keyboard. So let's press 4 for the safe mode. And here you should see an administrative account. You can log it with that, or otherwise you get the password as well. So we simply log in and we are in the safe mode, as you can see. After that, we click on the folder and we right click on this PC and click on manage. We go to local users and groups, click on the users, click on whatever default account name you have. In this case, it's account tech. Go in here, double click. And if you get the account is logged out and that is ticked right now, it was not actually logged out. So it's grayed out right now. But if it is disabled or account is logged out, make sure to uncheck both of them and click apply and then click OK. And close out of here, then close this window again. And after that, just press Windows, hold the Windows key on your keyboard and press R. Let me show you from on-screen keyboard if possible. So hold the Windows key and then press R, Windows plus R, and it will open run for you. Here we just write msconfig, hit enter, go to boot and just make sure to disable the save boot if it is checked. Click apply and OK. And let's make one more changes. Windows R, msconfig. The startup type, we select the normal startup, click on apply, OK. And we get this option. You may need to restart your computer in order to save these changes or apply these changes. So we continue with the restart. And after that, you should be able to resolve this logged out problem and you should be able to see that password screen or PIN screen again instead of getting that message. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.